Hi guys and welcome to this video. Today we'll be talking about getting started with a graphic design career. So whether you're looking to transition into a new field or you're just starting out, graphic design can be a lucrative and a rewarding career path. So in this video we'll cover the basics of what you need to know to get started. So the first thing you need to know is you need to understand the fundamentals of graphic design. So this is understanding fundamentals such as the color theory, the typography, composition, principles of design. So you can do this by either learning from a renowned designer. There are tons of online courses, books, or even taking a class at a local college. Yeah. So you also need to familiarize yourself with graphic design software. At the moment, the industry standard is Adobe Creative Cloud, and you should start with Adobe Illustrator, Adobe Photoshop, or InDesign. You can also learn through Canva. Canva is also a very good place to start. And one thing about these programs is they'll give you the tools you need to create professional looking designs. So the second thing you need to do is to build your portfolio. So as you learn and as you practice your skills, you need to build your portfolio because this is what you'll show to your potential clients or employers if at all you're looking to go into employment. So your portfolio needs to have a variety of design projects that will showcase your skills and creativity. So be sure to include your best work, explain every design process, explain why you made certain decisions, since this will come in very handy. You can also get feedback from your fellow designers, maybe a renowned designer, art directors, people in the industry, because this will help you identify areas for improvement and give you a sense of where you stand compared to other designers. This is very important because this is how you learn. This is how you learn from one, your mistakes, two, from other people who are doing better in the market. Stories that this is the best way to learn since you're getting insights from people who are better placed and you're practicing them in real time. So as you do that, you also have to be very proactive. So once you've learned the fundamentals and you've built your portfolio, you need to find clients. There are different ways to find clients. You can find them from freelance websites like Upwork and Fiverr. But the best way to find a client is one, you make sure you're networking. Make sure you're networking with other graphic designers. You're attending design events, participating in design communities. You need to make connections every day. You need to find designers who can delegate some of their work to you. And that's how you learn, that's how you'll gain the trust of other designers and other clients. That way, you still be building your portfolio and you still finding clients. Let me explain how. When I started my design journey, I talked to a fellow designer. So at times he had a lot of work, so he'd delegate some of the work to me. So I used to help him out, and through helping him out, I made connections with a few clients. So the clients started reaching out to me directly, and that's how I got a new client. And from this new client, I got a lot, a lot of new clients from that. So you need to be proactive, go out there, work hard. Like, you need to work smart as well, but as a beginner, you need to work hard. You need to impress your clients, because the moment you impress a client, especially with something like design, they'll stick around for long. So go there, be confident when presenting your portfolio and discussing your skills, discussing your experience, show your passion for design, and be ready to answer questions. And that takes me to another bonus tip. You need to balance your creativity with your ability to solve problems, because you'll find a lot of designers will practice and come up with mind-blowing designs, but in the real sense there is no problem they are solving. So you need to balance your creativity with your problem solving. So that is it for today. I know graphic design can be challenging, but with the hard work, dedication, and the right resources, you can develop the skills and you'll succeed. You remember, you should keep learning and building a portfolio, and most importantly, networking. Good luck on your journey, and I hope this video has been very helpful. I'll see you on the next one.